an African drongo. She has to shade her 3 eggs from the scorching heat of the sun. As soon as the chicks hatch, she will form an immediate bond with them that is unbreakable, whatever happens. After hundreds of hours of incubation, her first chick. Now the hard work really begins, because the newly hatched chick needs food. It won't be long before one mouth is joined by 2 more, and this chick will then have to share what the female brings back. Or will it? The chick is getting rid of any competition. It wants its mother's sole attention. Feeding time. Something has changed. But what? The sight of her chick's bright orange mouth demands that she brings more food. The egg weighs almost as much as the chick. It's like pushing a boulder uphill. The chick has a hollow in its back that helps it maneuver its load. The mother's brood has been reduced to just this one chick, and it now has her total attention. When she's not away gathering food, she shades the chick. And she responds instantly whenever it demands to be fed. Every day for over 3 weeks, she brings it dozens of meals. Her chick never seems to stop eating or stop growing.